can now officially say that Claudia Martinez is going to the NWSL. That had been rumored for quite some time, for, ever since basically her breakthrough year last year with the Copa America, going to the Ballon d'Or ceremony as being awarded one of the best young players in the world. Everyone was thinking, all right, well, who's going to win the sweepstakes? Who's going to who's going to sign her? And ultimately, it will be the Washington Spirit that will sign her. The Washington Spirit will sign Claudia Martinez from Club Olimpia, and ultimately, $950,000 will be the transfer fee that would put her up in amongst the top 10 most expensive players of all time. She would also be the second most expensive transfer in NWSL history. This is a big deal. It's a big deal for, obviously, for Paraguayan soccer, for, she's the first Paraguayan player ever to play in NWSL. The Washington Spirit is also owned by one Michelle Kang, who owns, obviously, one of the best teams in the world in terms of women's soccer in Olympique Lyons. She's also investing in the London City Lionesses, who play in the Women's Super League in England, even for NWSL as a whole, getting one of the most exciting young prospects in the world.